you probably want more free time in your life. I wanted more free time in my life. I wanted to make passive income so I would never have to work again, and then I could have all the free time of the world, and that I would be so happy. But would I be happy? It's funny because the last couple of months I discovered that free time didn't make me happy. But what instead made me happy was work. And with work I don't mean like some shitty 9 to 5 job you really hate or something, or school or anything, but making progress towards a meaningful goal, just something productive. Because when you have free time, what I noticed was I would easily fall back on bad habits. But when I worked, that didn't happen. So like for a long time, I went like to the gym, I went to school, and I did some good habits, and then I would still have like a couple hours of free time in a day. And when I noticed free time didn't make me happy, and it made me fall back on bad habits we know are bad for us. I wanted to fill up that time with a meaningful thing, but I didn't know what I could do. Well, I didn't know, but let's get back to that. Because then I did something that made me 2 times, 3 times more productive, and I could fill that gap easily. I did nothing. I would just sit on my bed, and I maybe grab a piece of paper and pen, and I would just think. The hours I would have left free time, I did nothing. I just let my brain think, write up some ideas I could do, and then your brain will be so bored it will start to think of things you can do. And you actually knew you could do these things before, but you were constantly distracting yourself. And now you were so bored, you really went into that thought and like, oh shit, I could do a YouTube channel. Oh, I didn't know. He told me that. Yeah, that is a really important step for me to figure out what I want to do with my free time, because I had the ideas of really making YouTube before, but I had some like excuses, and then I was just distracting myself again, so I wouldn't think about that those excuses were trash. But so what I would do, I would do nothing firstly. Then I would be so bored that I would come up with ideas about what I could do. And then it's really important to schedule directly when you will do it. So from 4 till 5 p.m. I would edit. From 7 to 8 a.m. I will record videos and script videos. Like, be specific about what you want to do, and when you will do it. And that is how I began creating YouTube videos. I sat down, journaled about it. I literally sat on my bed for like 3 hours or something. Bro, I was bored as fuck. And then I came up with the idea of YouTube again, and I destroyed all those excuses my lizard brain was making, and I scheduled about when I would do it. It's a really simple process about stop having free time, because free time doesn't make you happy. Go make some progress, bro.